family or family.
One of the biggest problems in the world today is the lack of balance. We are exposed to extreme profanity, over-sexuality, and mental instability on the daily, depending on our routines. But family is the counterbalance. They are the love, the familiarity, the backbone, and the reasons for us to keep going. Family.
Call it a clan, call it a network, call it a tribe, call it a family. Whatever you call it, whoever you are, you need one. Jane Howard.
I know that we all get busy and consumed with the stresses of life, but it's very important to stay connected with the people we love and to let them know frequently that we care about them.
Nobody is perfect.
Our families help, nurture, and ground us, but sometimes our families can be the cause of many of our setbacks and deficiencies. Our parents are sometimes toxic and an awful influence on us. They may have said or done some things to us that will bother us deeply for the rest of our lives. Let me tell you a little secret. Parents don't have kids. People have kids and must turn into parents. There's generally no class or blueprint, just figuring it out as you go along the way. Everyone doesn't have the same level of understanding, and in some aspects, our parents did the best that they could given their circumstances. But in others, not so much. Just because our parents love us, don't make them immune to vices and other personal issues. They may be abusing substances, a convicted murderer, mentally unstable at times, a rapist, or worse. We are not our parents, and their sins are not ours, but we must consider how who they are shape who we are. Even if you weren't raised by your parents, each of our parents make up half of our DNA. So, if substance abuse runs rampant in your family, just steer clear of all substances, as you are more prone to addiction. Nostalgic family memories.
Define. Nostalgia, longing for, or thinking fondly of a past time or condition.
We've all had someone in our family tell us a story or two about something cute that we did when we were a baby, or about the time they showed up for us when we really needed them. These are usually funny or good memories that make us grateful for one another. But what about those not so pleasant memories? Those are the bad things that the people we love did to us or did not do for us. Feelings of abandonment, abuse, extreme sadness, etc. These memories will probably never go away, but try not to let them creep into your interactions with others, even the person who we feel is the cause of them. A difficult discussion may need to be had, or you just may have to work hard over time, internally, on fully forgiving and leaving it in the past. But regardless, it happened. We made it through, and we're about to build the brightest of futures. So let it go, Elsa, or try as hard as you might to do so for your own good. If you found this guidance helpful, Life 101 offers a full roadmap for support just like this. Hey, I'm Emery. Think of me as your new favorite cousin, here to help you navigate life's biggest challenges. I've been a life strategist and coach for years, providing personal support to professionals. And here's what I've noticed. No matter who we are, we all face the same core struggles. finances, relationships, grief, and the uncertainties that keep us feeling stuck. That's why I created Life 101. This isn't just another course, it's a step-by-step guide designed to build you up as a whole person. Life 101 addresses the things that matter most, whether you're dealing with financial stress, complicated relationships, or the weight of grief or loss. It's about giving you practical, real-life guidance that you can start at your own pace, in your own space, no uncomfortable sessions or appointments needed. Developed with insights from over 40 professionals, Life 101 tackles 95% of the issues holding people back. You're getting 12 sessions, normally a $6,000 coaching experience, for just $297. Start today, and I guarantee you'll feel the difference within a week. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or unsure how to move forward, you can start right here, right now, and get the support you need to feel like yourself again. The world has changed, and so should your support system. To learn more about my journey or get the tools you need to take control of yours, head to www.theoddpro.com. Alright, cousin. If this video resonated with you, I'd love to hear your perspective. Comment below and let us know how this topic applies to your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, this isn't the end. It's only the beginning. I'll see you in the next video.